Hello everyone, my name is Joy and I'm a freelance makeup artist in New York City, and today I'm going to tell you about makeup tricks for people that have an oblong face shape. So what you're going to need for this is a powder that's at least 2 or 3 shades darker than your skin tone and a slanted makeup brush. So we're just going to take some powder, and the idea is your face is longer this way than this way, so you want to cut into it with your makeup brush and your darker powder, being sure to blend because you don't want to see any hard lines. I'm going to have you turn this way for me. And we're going to cut into the sides, along the jawline, blending down into the neck. And you just want to continue this until you feel like your face is looking just a little bit more in balance. So there we go. You should be able to see a nice little shadow there. By the end of things, your face should look a little more oval, which is considered the more classic face shape. So I hope you guys have enjoyed watching. My name is Joy, and have a good day, guys.